Hi, and welcome to Simplifying IT's Tech Tips. On today's Tech Tip, we're going to be teaching you how to configure Exchange-13 on Windows 10 using Office 365 for the first time. So if you can now navigate to your Outlook app, open that, and you will now see an option to enter an email address. So now let's enter the email address that was provided to you by Simplifying IT. Now we need you to click Advanced Options and then tick the box Let me set up my account manually. Now go ahead and click Connect. This can take a little while, so just be patient. After a little while, you'll then see you've got a number of more options. You need to select Exchange 2013 or earlier. Go ahead and select that now. Okay, we can now see that it's populated with a few fields and it's asking for a password. It's important that you select more choices. Then select Use a different account. Now for the username, you're going to need to put the domain name first. That should have been provided to you by Simplifying IT, and it's going to look a little something like this. It will be Cloud13 in capitals with a backslash, and then it will be your unique username. In this instance, we're using our test account, which is simplify.howto, but you will put your unique username there. Make sure that you've got Cloud13 in capitals and backslash. Now let's enter the password that you've also been provided. Then we can tick the box to remember my credentials, and then click OK. This will take a little while. It can take a little bit longer depending on your connection, but once finished, you'll now see you've got an option. Make sure that the tick box is selected for Use Cache Mode, and then you can move this slider bar all the way from 1 year to synchronize all of your mail. Then click Next. Now if you've got any more email accounts to set up, you can add these here and follow the process again. However, if this is the only one that you're configuring, you can untick the box to set up Outlook Mobile. You can then click Done and wait a little while. Be patient. Depending on the size of your mailbox, it can take a while for this to configure. So let's be patient for the next step. Okay, so we can now see that that's been configured. Your mailbox is now up and running, and you're pretty much good to go. However, a few dialog boxes are going to pop up, so you can select those once read. And then when ready, we always recommend that you close your Outlook and you reopen it one more time just to make sure that everything's working correctly. So we can now click to those dialog boxes again, and your Outlook is now ready, set up, and you can start using it. Thanks, and we hope you have a great day.